Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because yesterday class we started some demo class, right? Let me recap the yesterday class what we done. So yesterday class I shown you one small diagram which shows the importance of your core Java, right? So if you take the importance of core Java, yeah, because these days the most of the technology and frameworks depends on core Java, right? So what are the technology and the frameworks depends on core Java means what are the technologies and frameworks depends on core Java. Yesterday I showed you the first point is like this PPT. Like yesterday who are absent, just you can check this just first 10 minutes we'll go for the recap of yesterday class. Okay, good. Because yesterday class this is a core Java central point. So most of the technologies and frameworks, most of the technologies and frameworks depends on core Java, right? Selenium required the core Java, Hadoop required the core Java, Pega required the core Java, Salesforce required the core Java. Okay, cloud computing required the core Java, Adobe CQ required the core Java knowledge, ADF, application development framework, which required the core Java knowledge, right? Yeah, EDF, OAF, Oracle application framework, OAM, Oracle identity management, and SAP module, system application products. Some of the SAP modules which require some basics of core Java, right? Android completely coding is done based on the core Java. Product lifecycle management, so which required the core Java. MDM, master data management, required the core Java. And UI technology, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Angular, these all require some basics of core Java, right? And we required the Kafka required the core Java. Error, application release automation, right? Application release automation which required the core Java, right? Yeah, even advanced Java, Spring, Hibernate, web services, these all are Java related. So these all also depends on what core Java, right? Yes or no? This all depends on what core Java. So we understood that the core Java is the central point for this all the technologies, right? Yes or no? Core Java is what central point for this all the technologies, right? Exactly, because that's what you should be good at the core Java. So once if you're good at the core Java, that resource I can use in, okay, that resource can be used in what, any language, right? Yeah, there's a point, Amma. So the first point yesterday class we understood that most of the technologies and frameworks depends on what core Java, right? Exactly. Okay, so after that I told you the duration is 70 days classes. And the time for this class is this time exactly 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. So Monday to Friday mostly the classes. If the Saturday class is there, I'll intimate. The fees for this course is 10,000. I showed yesterday core Java material, right? The complete core Java material will be shared. Core Java interview questions will be shared. Core Java assignments will be shared. And complete test papers will be shared. And problems solving skills will share, right? Every day after the class, you will get the recorded session to your mail ID. Yes or no? Every day after the class, you will get the recorded session to your mail, right? Yeah. This is the point. And yesterday, one more point I showed you the syllabus copy, right? Yeah. If you go for the syllabus copy, tell me guys if you go with what? Syllabus copy, right? Yeah. If you go for the syllabus copy, let me show the syllabus copy. This is a syllabus copy for your next 70 days classes, right? Yeah. Sir, what are the topics we are going to discuss? Because Java introduction part, we will see. Java introduction part, data types. Data types are what? Java introduction. So Java importance, development setup, Java keyword, features of Java, first application, Java identifier, Java coding conventions, comments in Java. So we'll discuss about the first one, Java introduction, right? And I told you that the second point is data types in Java. So what are the data types? What are the number system representation? What are the underscores in the numeric literals? Underscores in what? Numeric literals, right? We will see this point. Next one is operators. So we have the arithmetic operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, ternary operator. How to use these operators in application point of view? Because how to use these all operators in what? Application point of view, we will use these all operators, right? Exactly. Because flow control statements, if you see, yeah, conditional statements, if we, if else, else, if and switch. And the looping statements are for loop, while loop, do while, and for each. Transfer statements are break and continue, right? Break and what? Continue. And real-time scenarios are above statements. Because in real time, which scenario, which one we have to use, that is important, right? I will tell you the real time, which scenario we have to use a for loop, and which scenario we have to use a for each loop, which scenario we have to use a while loop and a do while loop. Okay. So knowing the syntax is different, depends on the scenario, taking the corresponding data is different, right? That we will see. Next one is a class concept. If you go for the class concept, because if you go for the class concept, class contains variable declaration. Variables we will see. Real-time uses of variables we will see. And method declaration, types of method, real-time uses of methods. It means application point of view, exactly where we will use the methods and where we will use the constructors and where we will use the blocks, right? That's where we'll use what? Blocks, right? Exactly. Okay, Java package and modifiers. If you go for the Java package and modifiers, okay, advantage of the packages, how the project is divided into, okay, different packages, right? And what is the difference between normal import versus static import, working with what? Sub packages, right? Yes. Permission modifiers, we will see public, private, protected, and what? Default, right? Exactly. Because after that, we will see like OOPS principles. Seventh topic, inheritance, aggregation, composition, polymorphism, okay, method overloading and what? Overriding, right? Next one is encapsulation and abstraction, right? Exactly. Because next one we'll talk about interfaces in Java. So what is the purpose of functional interfaces, mark interfaces, nested interfaces, advantage of interfaces, okay, adapter classes. We will see the eighth topic. And the ninth topic is like Java modifiers. How many modifiers are there in Java? Public, private, protected, abstract, final, static, native, strict FP, volatile, transient, synchronized. Total 11 modifiers. We will see these all the modifiers practically, right? Yeah. Exception handling is what is the purpose of try with resources concept, try with multiple catch blocks, nested try catches, handling the user-defined exceptions in the project level. So how to handle the user-defined exceptions in what? Project level, right? Exactly. Because you'll see the file handling, working with the normal streams, working with the buffered streams, 11th topic. And the 12th topic is like garbage collection, how to collect the unused objects, useless objects, right? Okay, releasing the resources, right? Yeah. 13th topic is a string manipulations. What is a mutable class, immutable class, string versus string buffer, string builder, and string tokenizer, right? String what? Tokenizer or not? Yes. Java wrapper classes, we will see advantage of wrapper classes, different conversions, auto boxing versus auto unboxing. Application point of view, how to use the auto boxing and how to use auto unboxing, right? Exactly. And nested classes, declaring the class inside another class, nested classes, and lambda expressions we will see the real lambda coding in real time, right? Lambda coding in what? Real time. And multi-threading we will see. So thread pooling, hook threads, daemon threads. Okay, hook threads, daemon threads, thread with lambda expressions, thread groups, thread synchronization, inter-thread communication. We will see these all the points. Yes, you got the point, right? Enumeration is what? Enumeration advantages, declaration of user-defined constants, enum versus what? Classes. So what is the purpose of what? Enumeration in the real time. Okay. Annotations, we will see like @ suppress warning, functional interface, deprecated, override, safe variable, right? And JVM architecture, we will see what is the JVM, structure of the JVM, components of the JVM, right? Yeah. Reflection mechanism. So gathering the information about the class. Guys, I'm showing just syllabus copy. Each and every point we will discuss in detail. Okay. Yeah, first of all, structure is important. What we are going to do next to 2 months, right? Yes. Advantage of the collections, so list classes, set classes, map classes, different types of cursors, collection data sorting, stream API, how to use the filters, mappers, reducers, collections with lambda expressions in real time, collections with what method reference in the real time. And these days, everything is a collections with tell me, collections with what? Lambda expressions and collections with what? Method reference, right? Yes or no? Collections with lambda expressions and what? Collections with the method reference, right? That we will see in real time. Generic topic number 24. Generic topic is the advantage of generics, wildcard symbols, type erasers. What is a type eraser? We will see. And internationalization, the different languages. Yeah, different languages, country name, language name, different time and date format, different currency format. Because different languages, different countries, the currency representation is different, right? Yes. Because I think this is the points yesterday we are talking, right? Yes or no? Yes, please respond. Do you have any questions about the syllabus copy? And do you have any questions about the structure? Everyday class required session, complete material, interview questions will be shared. Yesterday I showed these all the points, right? Yes. Yes, any questions, please? Yeah, this is yesterday class now. If there is no questions, I will start your Java introduction part today. Nothing. You understood how many days the class will be, what the syllabus will be. Okay. And the required sessions. And we need to start the Java. That's it. Yeah, shall we start the Java class then? First day of Java? Please respond, everyone. Can we start the first day of Java?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Only code will take the 70 days. Yeah, Monica. It'll take the 70 hours. Because for all the languages, core Java is the central point. That's what it will take a bit time. Imran, the first day itself, once if you paid the fee, I think you got the fee details, right? Once if you pay the fee, first day itself, they will share the complete material with you, okay? Ahmad. Along with the required sessions, yes. We will share the notes along with the required sessions. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, shall we start then core Java day one? Syllabus scope and everything is clear, right? Yeah, I don't want to waste the time. So I don't want to waste your time. Just we'll start the Java first today. Okay, good. Okay, the first point for the today class, we'll go for the Java introduction. Okay. Before starting any language, first of all, you have to know who created that language. Okay. What is the name of that language initially? What the versions are running? Which one is a version is a stable version in the real time? Sir, no, you need to know this information, right? Exactly. Just tell me for kind of small information, who is author of Java? The creator. Because you are taking the class at 9 p.m. I'm teaching the class and the complete industry is working on the Java because of one person, right? Who is that person? A complete industry is working completely. You are taking the class at 9 p.m., right? Who is author of Java? Tell me, who is author of Java? Guido and Rizuma. Sunil, you are in the Java class. He is the author of Python, Guido and Rizuma. He is the author of Python. Now you are in the Java class. Yeah. Right? Mistake. Yeah. James Gosling, guys. He is the creator of Java. James, James what? James Gosling, right? James Gosling is the creator of Java. Can you please watch his face because entire industry depends on what Gosling, right? So James, we can write the Gosling. He is the creator of Java. But still he is working. Still he is working for some company. James Gosling, right? a Canadian computer scientist, James Gosling. So you are taking the Java classes completely. Yeah. James Gosling, born in 1955. I think after independence, right? Canadian computer scientist, Java programming language. This is a James Gosling, right? A Canadian computer scientist, best known as the founder of and lead designer behind the Java programming language. You got the point, right? He is a creator of Java. At least you have to know some information about him. Yeah, he is important. And who is another person is important for you? One is a James Gosling is important. Yeah, Gosling was elected a member of National Academy of Engineering in 2004. NAE, National Academy of Engineering, right? Non-profit organization, right? What do you mean non-profit organization means? Open sources. Age is 67 years. Nationality is a Canadian. Two children's. Right? Institutions, Sun Microsystems, Oracle Corporation, Google, robotics, Amazon. James Gosling was Sun Microsystem. Who is a vendor of Java? Yes, who is a vendor of Java? Yes, for you, who is one more person is important? Your trainer, right? Yes, trainer also important because I am teaching the Java, right, to you guys. So Mr. Ratan, he is also important for you. Yes or no, important, not important. James Gosling is a creator of Java. Trainer is what? Mr. Ratan, right? He is also important to you, right? Yes. Yeah, who is teaching us? Yeah, definitely. I'm most important, right? Yeah. Guys, see, James Gosling is a Canadian computer scientist. James Gosling worked for who is the vendor of Java? Vendor means what? Which company releases Java? Because which company releases Java means initially the Java product from Sun Microsystems. Okay, Sun Microsystems, right? Exactly. Because initially the Java product from which company? Sun Microsystems. James Gosling was with Sun Microsystems between the 1984. Oh, 1984 to 2010. Up to 2010, he did Sun Microsystems only. 26 years. So you got the point or not? Vendor Sun Microsystems. I think recently the Sun Microsystems, not recently, long back, the Sun Microsystems is acquired by which one? Oracle Corporation, right? Now the Java product from which company? Oracle Corporation. Because now you don't have any Sun Microsystem. Now the Java product from which company? Oracle Corporation, right? Exactly. Because initial vendor is a Sun Microsystem. Yeah. Can I write that point? Initial vendor. Yes, initial vendor is a Sun Microsystem. Present, who is a vendor? Yes, present, who is a vendor? Present vendor is what? Present vendor is what? So Oracle Corporation, right? Exact. Because Oracle is acquired Sun Microsystem, right? Initial vendor is from Sun Microsystem. Yes, you got the point, right? Yes. James Gosling Sun Microsystem between 1984 to 2006, almost 26 years. He's working with Sun Microsystem, right? He's working for the Sun Microsystem. Later, he changed it to Oracle Corporation, right? Later, he changed it to Oracle Corporation. Later, he changed it to Google. Later, what? Robotics. Now it is from Amazon. Now he's working for the Amazon. Yes, you got the point, right? Now he's working for what? Amazon, right? Exactly. You see, he left the Sun Microsystem when? On April 2002, on April 2, 2010, after it was acquired by the Oracle Corporation. Very good. Acquired by Oracle Corporation, right? Yeah, guys, these are very valuable information as a developer. Somewhere. James Gosling was Sun Microsystem 1984 to 2010. Up to 26 years almost. He left the Sun Microsystem April 2, 2010. After it was acquired by the Oracle Corporation, right? Acquired by the Oracle Corporation, right? Exactly. 2010, Sun Microsystem is acquired by the Oracle Corporation, right? Yeah, from 2010 onwards, the Java product from which company? Present vendor, Oracle Corporation, right? Exactly. Because initial vendor and what? Present vendor, right? Yes. Very valuable information. Yeah, in March 2011, James Gosling joined in the Google. Very good. Ratan sir information not that much required, but James Gosling information required, right? When compared to Ratan sir, James Gosling is information important. In March 2011, James Gosling is joined the Google Corporation. Google, right? Yes. Yes, yes or no? Guys, you got the point or not? Guys, that is information. That is enough, good enough. So the information is enough. Guys, yes or no? Yes, you got the point, right? James Gosling left Liquid Robotics and looked to work at Amazon Web Services as a designated engineer that May 2017. Yes, he's working for the May 2017, right? At Amazon Web Services, AWS. An Amazon company is joined in what 2017. Now he's working for the Amazon Corporation, right? Yes. James Gosling was with Amazon Web Services in the engineering in 2017, right? Now he's working for the Amazon Web Services, AWS, Amazon company, right? Exactly. So this is good information for the James Gosling. So James Gosling is initially working for the Sun Microsystem. Almost all 26 years he spent on the Sun Microsystem. Later he joined, acquired by Oracle Corporation. He joined in Oracle Corporation. After the Oracle Corporation, he'll go for the James Gosling joining Google Corporation. Now he is working for what? Amazon, right? Now James Gosling is working with Amazon. Okay. Yes. Yeah, that is called Adharama. Because who is Adhar? James Gosling. Who is the trainer? Mr. Ratan. Initial vendor is what? Sun Microsystem. Present vendor is what? Oracle, right? Yes. Now that James Gosling working with which corporation? AWS, Amazon Corporation. Yes or no? This is the some information about what James Gosling, right? Info about what? About Gosling, right? Gosling. Yes, info about the Gosling or not? That's also a bit important for us. Yes. Guys, are you clear now? This is the info about what James Gosling, right? So I think you got some idea about what is the James Gosling. He is a creator of Java, right? He's a creator of what? Java. Good. Guys, coming to Java. So Java versions we can see. Guys, initial version. What is the initial name of Java? Guys, the initial name of the Java. Initially the Java name. Tell me. What the initial name of Java? Initial the Java name is what? Oak language. Yes, so initial name is what? Oak language, right? Oak is basically tree name. It's a national tree in US, right? Because the initial name of the Java is what? Initial name of the Java is Oak language, right? Exactly. Because what about present name? Tell me. Present name of the Java is what? Java, right? Later they rename it to Java. So the James Gosling team consume a lot of coffee. The coffee beans are imported from the Java island. The coffee beans are imported from the Java island, right? That's what he's giving that island name Java. Because initial name of the Java is what? Oak language. It's like tree name. Later it is renamed to what? Java, right? Exactly. Present name is Java. Exactly. Sir, what is the initial version of Java? Guys, when the Java released in market? Guys, initial version of Java. Guys, any idea about the initial version of Java? The initial version of Java is what? So JDK 1.0 released in 1996. JDK initial version is what? JDK 1.0 released in 1996, right? Exactly. Because what a present version of Java, tell me? The present version of Java is running. Anyone knows the present version of Java running?
1.8.
Java. Guys, what the present version of Java is running?
Java 18.
Java 18.
1.8.
Oh, 1.8 long back, 2010. Now Java 18 is running almost. Java 18 is the present version. Yes, yes, sir. No, present version is a Java 18. Initial version is a Java, JDK 1.0. Because before that we have the beta versions, nothing but a trial version. Beta, or we can say what is a trial version, right? Trial versions. Because trial version is like, the trial versions released in 1995. A trial version released in 1995, but initial version of Java released in market is what? 1996. Present version is what? Java 18 is a present version. Sir, when the Java development starts, James Gosling started the development. Java development starts in 1990s. But Java development starts in 1990s. Beta version released in the 1995. It means they took the almost all 5 years to build the Java. And initial version of Java is a JDK 1.0 1996. Official version of Java released in market is 1996. Because present version is what? Java 18th version, right? Because present version of Java is what? Java 18th version or not? There's a point, Amma. Because present version is a Java 18th version, Ma. But do you think the real time which versions you are using to build applications? Because in the real time, which version we are using to build application? That is
1.8.
that is
Java
basically
1.8.
you believed or not, still in my project, we are using some Java 8 only. And recently we started some new project, there we are going with the Java 11th version. So as per my experience, the stable versions is still in the companies we are using Java 8 and what? Tell me, Java 8 is a stable version. Java 8 is a perfect version. Java 8 and what? Java 11. Yes, you got the point, right? Stable versions are still Java 8 and what? Java 11, right? Exactly. Yes, you got the point, right? Java development starts from 1990s. Beta versions like 1995. It means almost it took the how many years? 5 years, right? Almost it took the 5 years to complete development. They released like an official version 1996. Present version is Java 18th version. Before starting the language, at least you have to know who is author, his presenter, he's dead, he's working for which company now, and who is your trainer, and what is the present version of Java running, present version of Java what, and real time still what the version they are using. You have to know this all information, right? Exactly. Because stable version is what? Still Java 8 and Java 11 is a stable version, right? Exactly, guys. So you got the point or not? Yeah, we can call it a Java 8 or JDK 8. Because see, these are the synonyms, some same names. Because some people are calling it as a Java, some people are calling it as a JDK, and some people are calling it as a Java JDK. Tell me, and some people are calling it as a JTSC. These are the synonyms, like same meaning, right? Yeah, we can use same name, same names. Same names, right? These all are same names. Java we can call it as a Java 18th version you can call, otherwise JDK 8th version you can call, otherwise JTSC 18th version you can call. Some people are calling the JSC also. Got the point, right? Java or JTSC or JSC or JDK, all are synonyms. Don't think like there is no difference actually. Yeah, JRE, okay, fine, but JDK internally contains JRE. That I'll tell you in the next classes. JDK internally contains what? JRE, right? Exactly. Okay, see, for example, now you are taking which class, Core Java, right? Guys, now you are taking what? Core Java, right? After Core Java, if you want to become a Java developer, maybe you will take Advanced Java, right? Core Java and Advanced Java. Guys, tell me, is that Core Java and Advanced Java is official terms or unofficial terms? Because you are taking the Core Java classes. Is that Core Java term is official term or unofficial term?
Unofficial term.
Because Core Java, only in Amirpet classes, the faculties are saying basics of Java is called Core Java. A bit advanced topics are called Advanced Java, right? But in the real time, we don't have like Core Java and Advanced Java. As per the Sun Microsystem standards, as per the Oracle standards, we don't have the Core Java and Advanced Java. Core Java, even Python also, right? These days we have the Python, what Python here? Core Python, Advanced Python under. Because Python also, we don't have the two versions, Core Python, Advanced Python. It's not like that. We have only Python, that's it. The same way, Core Java, Advanced Java is official terms or not official terms? Core Java, Advanced Java are not official terms. Not official terms. Not official terms, right? Exactly. Because as per the Sun Microsystem standards, as per the Sun, please mute everyone. Please mute. As per the Sun Microsystem standard, tell me guys, as per the Sun Microsystem standard, the Java divided into three parts, ma. The Java divided into how many parts? Tell me. Into three parts. What are the three parts? Tell me. Yes, as per the Sun Microsystem standards, the Java divided into three parts. What are the three parts? Just tell me any idea.
J2,
Yeah,
J2
yes, we are
SC,
talking about
J2
the
E.
parts of Java. We decided core Java, advanced Java, only Amir paid classes. We can find these words. Even the resume also, man, the resume also don't mention the core Java and advanced Java, please. In resume also don't mention the core Java, advanced Java, right? Yeah, because core Java, advanced Java is not official terms. As per the Sun Microsystem standards, Java is divided into three parts. What are three parts are? Number one, JTSC. J2
J-
SC. Number two is what? So J2 EE. Number three is what? J2 ME. What the JTSC full form? JTSC full form is what? Java 2. Generally, we can call it as a JTSC. Some people are calling as a JSC also. J2 EE. Some people are calling it as JEE. JTME. Some people are calling it JME. What the JTSC full form? Java 2 Standard Edition. The guys who are new to Java follow each and every point. Slowly will move forward. Slowly will increase the tempo. You understood, right? Who is author of Java? Who is a trainer? What is the initial vendor? Which company released Java, right? Present is given by Oracle. Who is this James Gosling? Present is working for which company? Which version of Java present is running? Java 18th version is a present version. But still in the real-time stable versions, the real-time versions. Real-time versions means what? The real-time which versions we are using to build applications, right? Real-time versions are still Java 8 and Java 11. Still Java 8 and what? Java 11, right? Exactly. And how many parts of Java? I told that core Java and advanced Java is not official terms. In resume also, don't place the core Java. Basically, core Java is a part of JTSC. Yes, core Java is a part of what? J2 SC, right? That I'll tell you. Because Java 2 Standard Edition. Second one is what? So Java 2 Enterprise Edition, right? Enterprise Edition. The third one is what? Java 2. Tell me, Java 2 what? Micro Edition, right? Exactly. Now, Java 2 Standard Edition, Java 2 Enterprise Edition, Java 2 what? Micro Edition, right? The three parts of Java basically. Sir, what are my core Java, sir? My core Java comes on which part? Guys, your core Java belongs to JTSC. In resume, we have to mention the technology like JTSC technology. Then only your resume is valid. Sir, no, core Java belongs to which part here? Core Java belongs to J2SC part, right? Yeah, now you are taking the JTSC classes, guys. Guys, tell me how many parts of Java? Guys, how many parts of Java? Yeah, parts of Java. How many parts, ma? Three parts, right? What are three parts? JTSC, J2 EE, and J2 ME, right? Exactly. Yeah, same names. What are the same names? Some people are calling it as a Java. Some people are calling it as JDK. Some people are calling it JTSC. Some people are calling it JSC. All are same names, ma. You got the point, right? Yes, exactly. Has any questions, please? So your core Java belongs to which part, ma? Core Java belongs to JTSC part, right? Yeah, core Java belongs to JTSC part. Exactly. The class is going good, right? Everyone is able to follow the class, right? Please respond in the chat. Anyone is feeling difficulty, sir? You are teaching very fast and all. Everyone is able to follow, right? Don't think I don't know C language. I don't know CVP language. So C, CVP languages are not required. CVP languages are not required. I am from civil background, mechanical background. Don't forget about this all. Every day, what are the classes I'm teaching? Just to follow the video, check the material, check the video. By tomorrow, try to complete the fee payment so that you'll get the J2EE is advanced Java. Tomorrow complete the fee payment. I think you got the details about the fee details. tomorrow complete the fee payment and take the required session and the materials and all, so that every day try to check the required sessions. Okay. Yeah, that's very good. Because parts of Java, right? This is the parts of Java. Java introduction part, right? Exactly. How many parts of Java? Total 3 parts of Java we have. Your core Java belongs to which part? JTSC part, right? Yeah, some people, the guys who already aware of Java, maybe know this all the points, but we need to go with a specific flow so that everyone is able to understand very clearly, right? Yes. That's Java to micro edition, right? To build like an mobile applications, micro edition, microcontroller application, right? Exactly. Because in the real times, one more terminal is important. One more terminal is important. The real time, open source versus license version. This terminal is important, because in my project, some of the tools are open sources we will use. In my project, some tools are open sources. Who is this Pandit here? Yeah, check the class, ma. Myself, Ratan. Yeah, Ratan. Open source, right? Open source versus what, a license version, right? Exactly. Because some people are saying like, no, open sources. My tools in my company, in my project, we are using some of the tools are open sources. Some of the tools are what, license version, right? Exactly. Tell me, guys, what do you mean open source? Tell me about what do you mean open source? Guess what do you mean by open source? Yeah, open to use. Open to use means what? No need to get the license, right? Free of cost, right? Simple word. Free of cost. Everyone can download the source. Everyone can download the Java software, right? It's like free of cost. Free of cost means what? No need to get the license. Freely we can use that software. No need to get the. Tell me, no need to get the license, right? Exactly. Yes, no need to get the license, right? Yeah, open source means free of cost. No need to get the license. And even the main point of the open source, the main point of the open source, like, source code is open. Source code means what? Whatever the code written by James Gosling, that code we can see actually. With that code we can download. That code we can modify. That's what the point. Tell me here. Source code is what? Source code is open, right? Source code is open means anyone can download the source code. Anyone can download the. Tell me here. Download the source code. Can edit the source code, can edit the source code. The name itself is saying like open source, right? Open source means source code, nothing but Java code, what the code written by James Gosling, right? Yeah, source code is open, guys. Anyone can download the source code, can edit the source code, right? Exactly. Yes, best. So, no, yes. Source code is open, right? Anyone can download the source code and can edit the source code, right? Yeah, you believe it or not, JDBC is open source. JDBC is open source. We have the one person like Gavin King. What the name? So Gavin King. He is author of Hibernate framework. He downloaded open source code. He downloaded JDBC code. You believe it or not? He downloaded JDBC code. Tell me, he downloaded JDBC code. He is doing some modifications on JDBC code. He released the framework is called Hibernate at days of almost 24 years. 24 years. Now, open source means what? You can download the source code, we can do the modifications, we can release your own framework also. Hibernate, Gavin King. You got the point, right? Yeah, no. Open source means what? Most of the others, so they downloaded the JDBC open source. They done the modifications on open source. They release the framework is called Hibernate framework. If you take EJB framework, initially we have the enterprise Java builds. We have the Rod Johnson. Rod Johnson is author of Springer. He downloaded EJB code. He's doing some modifications on EJB code. Which one, Rod Johnson. He released the framework is called Spring framework. Like that. So what we understood, tell me now. What we understood is like, Tell me here what we understood. Open source means what? Open source means free of cost, no need to get the license. And even source code is open. Source code means what? Anyone can download source code. Source code means whatever the code written by James Gosling, right? Whatever the code written by James Gosling. JDBC is open source. Gavin King is downloaded JDBC code. He's doing some modifications on JDBC code, and he released the framework is called what? Hibernate, right? The same way Rod Johnson. Rod Johnson is downloaded EJB code. He's doing the modifications on EJB code. He released the framework is called what? Spring framework. That is called open source. What about license version? Tell me. If we take the license version means definitely we have to pay money first of all to get that license, right? Yes, we have to pay money. Whatever the tools we are licensed tools we are using, okay, we have the license agreement for the 6 months or 1 year. Every 1 year we need to upgrade the license, right? We need to upgrade the license. Yeah, copyrights. We have to pay money to get the license, right? We have to pay money to get the license, right? Exactly. Because even license version, do you think source code is open? Guys, license version source code is open or not open? I think you paid fee. Yeah, you paid money to get the license here. Even once if you get the license, just we have the privileges just to use the software. That's it. Source code is open or not open? Source code is what? Not open, right? Exactly. Because we have to pay money to get the license, right? Source code is open or not open? Source code is not open, right? That is the point. They won't share the source code also, guys. So best example of open source are what? Java is open source. Okay, Android is open source. And Selenium is open source. These open sources, right? Java, Selenium, Android, etc. License versions are what? Microsoft products. Mostly Microsoft products all are license versions almost. Oracle products, license version. Apple products, license version, etc. Finally, we decided Java is what type of software? Tell me, Java is what type of software? Java is, tell me, Java is what type of language? Java is what? Open source, right? Exactly. Guys, you got very clearly these points, right? Everyone is able to understand, right? No worries, man. The guys who don't know Java also, you can understand. Even 6th class kids can understand what the explanation I followed, right? Yeah, we understood today class. Tell me. That's all, man. That's all for the today class. Only 3 points we talk about. Tell me, guys, who is author of Java? Everyone, please respond. Who is author of Java? James Gosling. Who is the trainer of Java? Mr. Ratan. Who is the initial name of Java? Tell me, guys, what is the initial name of Java? Oak language. Later it is renamed to what? Later it is renamed to what? Java, right? Present name is Java. Because development starts in 1990s. Trial versions are 1995. Initial version of Java released in market is 1996, right? Present version of Java is what? Java 18th version. Real time, the versions we are using like Java 8 and Java 11, right? Exactly. Parts of Java, how many parts? JTSC, JDW, and what? JTME. Same names, right? Java, JDK, JTSC, JSC. These are all same names. Information about the James Gosling. James Gosling is born in 1955. He's a Canadian computer scientist, best known as the founder and lead designer behind the Java programming language. James Gosling was Sun Microsystem almost for how many years? 26 years. And he left the Sun Microsystem in the 2010 after it was acquired by Oracle Corporation. Now the Java product is from the Oracle Corporation, right? In March 2011, James Gosling joined the Google. Finally, he's worked for the Amazon. Present is working for the Amazon, right? Exactly. Sir, how many parts of Java? We have to know that core Java, advanced Java is not official terms. Core Java, advanced Java is what? Not official terms. As per the Sun Microsystem standards, the Java divided into how many parts? 3 parts, right? JTSC, JDEE, JTME. Here, core Java belongs to which part? JTSC, right? The core Java belongs to what? JTSC part. Whatever open source versus license version, open source means free of cost, right? Open source means what? Free of cost, money to get the license, right? Yeah, mainly source code is open. Source code is open means whatever the code written by James Gosling, that source code is open. It means anyone can download the source code, can edit the source code, right? Yes, anyone can download the source code and what? Can edit the source code. Gavin King is the best example. He downloaded JDBC code, Java database connectivity code. He released the framework is Hibernate framework. He is author of Hibernate framework. He is author of Spring framework. But he is adding some modifications on EJB. That's it. Examples are what? Java, Android, Selenium, etc. Right? License versions are what? We have to pay money to get the license. Even though if you pay the money, source code is open or not open? Guys, source code is open or not open?
Not open.
Source code is not open, right? Exactly. Guys, I think you need these notes, right? You need these notes or not? The guys who are new to Java, today onwards, try to write the notes. This is like Java introduction day one notes, right? Day one notes. My initial days, I'll share the notes. And by tomorrow, try to complete the formalities so that you'll get the materials and all. Let me share this one using protectedtest.com. One website is there. Yeah, your core Java class, right? Core Java 9 p.m. CJ 9 p.m. CJ 9 p.m. This is like, day one notes. Yes. Guys, let me share this link with you. Everyone try to open this link. Please copy this link and place it on your notepad document in your notes in your laptop. protectedtest.com/CJ 9 p.m. Everyone copy this link and place in your notepad in your laptop or mobiles. In mobiles, just you can take the screenshot. When you open that link, it is asking password, right? Password for that link is Java. JAVA is the password. JAVA is the password, right? Exactly. It's protectedtest.com/CJ 9 p.m. It's asking password like, password is Java. Today onwards, everyone try to take the new book and put the day one notes, write the day one notes about make my name also in your notes, so Mr. Ratan. Yeah, today onwards we started Java. Yesterday class just syllabus copy we checked and today we started the Java. Yeah. And tomorrow complete the fee payment so that you will get the materials and required session, right? The guys who are new to Java, please complete the formalities immediately. Try to take the required session today onwards. Tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow you'll pay the fee, they'll get the required session. Immediately you can start learning, start like, watch the required session and try to make the notes. Okay. Yeah. I think we done right. Yeah. Bye guys. Tomorrow we'll meet by 9 o'clock. Same timing.